Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn about some more functions of insert tab. Okay. In previous class we have learned about how to insert pivot table, how to insert table, and how to format the table, everything. And today we will learn some more things like how to insert picture, shapes, and what are the graphs and all. Okay. So Excel has a function where we can import any of the pictures we want. If you want to do any presentations, or if you want to add some pictures to your data, then you can do that. So how to do that? Go to insert tab and click on pictures. Here you will get two options. Either you can browse through the Google, or you can select the file from your like computer or your laptop. Okay, if you click on picture from file, then you will get to your file manager where you have saved your pictures and you can insert those pictures. Okay, if see if I want to add this picture, and I'm going to recent folder and just click on this and just click insert. Okay, see, picture gets added in Excel. You can make this size big, or you can make the size small, as you want, as per your requirement. If you can do this wide or do this narrow, and if you want it to be in a center, and you can move it around your page. Okay, this is insert picture. Once you insert the picture, you can see here one more tab gets created, that is picture format. So you can do whatever you want to edit or format this picture. If you want to remove the background, just click on remove background, and see background will get removed, and keep changes or discard changes. If you want this to be like this, and keep it, otherwise discard all changes, then back to normal. Okay, corrections. In corrections, see, if you want, whatever you can do, like if you want the picture to be more sharpen, then just click sharpen here. If you want it to be soft, light colored, then you can do this. If you want to add any format like black and white or more brightness, you can do whatever you want with your picture. Okay, and in color, see, there are more color options available, either saffron, blue, yellow, green, whatever you want. Either you, if you want to keep it a black and white, you can do this as well for picture format. Artistic effects, these are the filters. See, as per the sketch, you can, if you want it to be as a like photocopy, then click on this and this will create a photocopy of this. Otherwise, if you want it to be sketch, chalk sketch, then see, you can do whatever you want to the pictures. Okay, and transparency, if you want it to be more transparent, then just click, see, transparent. See, all these, if you want to compress the picture and reduce the file of this size of this file, then you can do that as well. So in picture format tab, you will get more to more option to format your picture as per your requirement. Okay, you can either change the color, you can change the size, you can make it more transparent or less transparent, you can add artistic effects, etc. Okay, now coming back to insert tab, you have added the picture, and now if you want to add any shapes, then you can just click on shapes. See, lots of shapes are there, either square, circle, arrow, etc. If you want anything, you can add those. See, if I want to add arrow, and just drag it here, see, you have added the arrow over here. Okay, if you want to make it more straight, then just drag and make it correct. See, okay, we have added arrow over here. If you click on this arrow, then shape format will get created. Okay, shape format tab will get created. In this tab also you can format your shapes as per your requirement. If you want to change the color, then you can do that as well, etc. Color, fill, small, etc., large, whatever the size you want, format whatever you want as per your requirement, you can format the shapes also. Okay, and in this here you can provide the hierarchies, like see, if you want any list format, then you can create this also, use this also. These all these list, process, cycle, hierarchy, relationship, matrix, pyramid, pictures, these all these shapes we use for formatting the data, like listing out the data as per your hierarchy. If you are creating a organizational structure like manager, under manager there are few subordinates, and under those subordinates there are few employees. If you want to create an organizational structure, in that case you will use these like shapes. So if you want process wise, like process means if you want to provide the process of, like for example, production of the goods. Initially you want raw materials, and raw materials you will create some like you will apply some processes over there. Then after processing the raw material you will get final product. In if you want to explain how you will get input, process and output, in that case you will use process shapes. Like if I select this, then see, first you need to add here, what is first tab you need to add, input. If you want, for example I am giving, and in second tab you will process the raw material, and in third tab you will get output, that is finished products. Okay, see here, it is, shapes are more like graphical format, and users are going to learn quickly through while like by seeing the visualization of the data, either like either through shapes you can create or either through graph you can explain. Okay, so here if you want to explain your process to the users, then you can use this. Like we have inputted the raw materials and we have processed the raw materials, and ultimately we are getting final product, finished goods, that is output, by applying process to the input. Okay, these are the some of the shapes you want. If you want to correct, then just click on this and just click on this and add whatever you want. Okay, and here also if once you get click just click on this, then smart art design will get created. You can add any like you can format as per your requirement. Okay, add shapes, see, add shapes after or before. See, after means if you click on after, then one more shape will get added after this one. Okay, because I was on this shape, if I want to add shape after this output, then just click on this and go to add shape and just click add shape after. See, and if I want to add shape before process, then just click on process and go to add shape and click on add shape before. See, if you want to make corrections also, you can just double click on this and make the corrections. If you want to add any other shape after or before this, just click on this and just go to add shape, and either you can select after or before. Okay, in this case above, below and add assistant will get blocked because this shape is from left to right. That's why all these above, below shapes get blocked here. If you select hierarchy, then add, below, above will get activated. Okay, and add bullet points after this point. Like if you want to add some bullet points in input tab, like for first tab or first shape, then just click on add bullet points, and thus just click, you will get to add some bullet points over here. Okay, and text pen is the this only. If you want text pen, just click, text pen will get activated. Okay, so these are the some of the features of smart art design, and how to add the shapes, how to add the pictures, etc. If you want, you can change the colors. If you want, you can change the shape. Like if you want this to be done, see, if you want this style, then you can do this as well as per your requirement. Okay, for today this is enough. If you have any doubts, you can post it in the comment section below. In next class we will see more advanced features of this. Okay, advanced features of shapes, pictures and graphs, etc. Okay, and how to visualize the data by using Excel graphs and shapes. Okay, so till then stay tuned, and please like my videos, share my videos and subscribe to my channels. And if you have any doubt, please comment those doubts in comment section below, and I will try to answer your questions. Okay, chalo, bye bye, thank you.